Welcome back to Aftershoot Academy, where we bring you all the best tips and tricks to speed up your workflow. I'm Justin, and today we're going to explore one of the most game-changing features in Aftershoot, spray can mode. If you've ever felt the need to speed up your manual review process or make culling just a little easier, spray can mode is the tool you've been waiting for. And in today's video, I'll show you how this feature will completely transform the way you work. So why is spray can mode so helpful? Well, here's what our users have to say. Spray can mode helps you breeze through the image selections faster than ever. Use it in grid view and survey mode by accessing right under the tab bar. Instead of relying on keyboard shortcuts, which can slow you down, spray can mode lets you use your mouse or touchpad, and that's just a quicker way for navigating and applying ratings. With just a few clicks, you can change ratings, apply color labels, or even select and reject images without ever lifting your hands off the mouse. Spray can mode was built with two types of users in mind, those using AI automated culling and those using AI assisted culling. Let's break down how it helps with both workflows. Spray can mode lets you quickly review and refine AI selections. You can easily swap selected images with a duplicate, add another shot from a duplicate set, or even reject ones that don't make the cut. And here's a bonus. If you occasionally need a closer look at an image, you can now zoom in directly from spray can mode to make sure you're choosing the best shot. Now, we've heard from our users about a few things they'd like to see improved in spray can mode. And guess what? We've made those changes. Another common request was to categorize images into more than 2 buckets. Well, now you can. We've added the ability to assign different actions like swap, select, reject, or categorize images to left click, right click, or even command and control clicks. You've got full control. One of the most exciting updates is the ability to customize what each click does in spray can mode. Right now, you can assign different actions to your mouse clicks, things like swapping, adding to selections, or rejecting images, all with just a click. This gives you more flexibility in how you work, making spray can mode even more intuitive and action-oriented. And of course, spray can mode wouldn't be complete without its speed advantage. By using your mouse or touchpad, you can make decisions faster than relying on keyboard shortcuts alone. It's all about efficiency, getting through your images faster while still having full control over what gets selected, rejected, or labeled. We're not stopping here though. Spray can mode is constantly evolving based on your feedback. Whether it's multi-monitor support, more detailed zoom functionality, or added customization options, we're committed to making spray can mode the ultimate culling tool. There you have it, spray can mode redefined and better than ever. Whether you're doing a full manual review or just fine-tuning AI selections, this feature is built to save you time and give you full control over your culling process. As always, if you have more feature requests or feedback, keep them coming. Aftershoot is constantly evolving and we love hearing what you think. Thanks for watching and happy culling. See you next time.